says the topics of climate and sustainability have to be boring? Arcadia Earth, Toronto's new immersive exhibit, will not only entertain you, but may also inspire you to lead a better life.
We're a 17,000 square foot immersive experience filled with incredible technologies, large-scale art installations, and each room has a different focus on the environment's sustainability. We built our exhibit with as high a percentage of recycled materials as possible. I think Canadians care deeply about the environment.
This journey will take you on a multi-sensory experience through underwater worlds, fantasy lands, and inspirational art from some incredible artists.
I'm an artist, I'm an activist, and I create large-scale objects of curiosity around different environmental themes.
The exhibit takes you on a journey through 6 highly interactive rooms with themes like In Your Hands, designed to spark change in the way you consume plastic. Tips on how to recycle correctly will help keep more plastic out of landfills. Be Thankful encourages visitors to help pollinators by planting bee-friendly plants. Fishtainable focuses attention on the importance of sustainable fishing in our waterways. Make certain the seafood you buy comes from an Ocean-Wise approved supplier. And the e-waste generator, which aims to support laws around the right to repair.
These laws are trying to introduce the ability for consumers to have access to affordable repairs so that the lifespan of their products actually gets extended. Hopefully the installation itself is cool enough so that they want to tell their friends.
The journey to a more sustainable future begins with you.